So let me put it this way. Our favorite data, let's take it 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Now always head is the key. Head undi ante head is the starting point of the linked list. Now after reversing, how will this look like?
Head
Ide
points
list reverse
to
cheste ela
20
kanabadali.
head points to 24 and 23
Head points to
24.
24. Okay.
And next, and the link change from 23 to 24, it will change from 24 to 23.
24 to 23.
Yes, sir. Like so on. Like 23 to 22.
Okay.
And 20 points to null.
Okay. And this points to null. And all the ones are broken. Right? These links are broken now. No more existent.
Yes.
Because we replaced, right? This is now pointing to this. Okay. So this is one way to represent. This is one way to represent. Now, if I have to write for simplicity, for ease of understanding, yeah, this is no more null, right? Now the same, I can write it as, 1, 2, 3, 4, like 24, points to next node, points to 23, right? And so on, 22, 21, and 20. And here, null. Right? This is what you are imagining after reversing. Is there any other way? Now she told one, actually by whatever she described, Chinmay described an algorithm also in this. Okay, so that is, let us call algo 1.